In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own photo with Krea AI. We're focusing on a simple method to create a realistic AI version of yourself from scratch, and I'll guide you through each part so you know exactly what to do and why it matters. First, open Krea AI in your browser, sign into your account, and head to the Creator Images section. This is where you'll do all your work. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt box. This is the heart of the process because the AI relies on your words to build your image. Be specific and clear when describing yourself. For example, you might write, realistic portrait of a man with short black hair wearing a white polo shirt, soft natural lighting, DSLR quality, shallow depth of field, professional photography. That level of detail gives the model a clear direction. Think about the details you naturally notice in a photo: hairstyle and length, skin tone, clothing type and color, the mood of the lighting like cinematic, soft light, or sunset glow, and how the camera might capture it, such as DSLR, 85mm lens, or studio lighting. The more concrete your language, the more accurate the result. Next, choose a model designed for realism. Krea 1 is an excellent option if you want lifelike results, and you can also explore other high-quality photorealistic models in your dashboard. If your goal is a photo that looks like it came from a professional camera, stick with the most realistic models available. Before generating, adjust your settings. Pick an aspect ratio that matches where you plan to use the image. A 1:1 square is great for profile photos, while 9:16 is ideal for vertical stories and reels. Set the quality level based on how sharp and detailed you want the output. Higher quality can produce richer images but may take a bit longer. Then choose a suitable resolution, balancing clarity with speed. Now click Generate and give it a moment. Your AI photo should appear shortly. If it isn't quite right, refine your prompt rather than starting over. Add more detail about your features, specify the lighting more clearly, or suggest a different pose like looking slightly to the side or a relaxed head and shoulders crop. Small wording changes such as switching soft natural lighting to studio lighting or describing a warm golden hour look can make a big difference. That's it. With a precise prompt, the right model, thoughtful settings, and a quick refinement pass, you can create a realistic AI photo of yourself in minutes using Krea AI.